Hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? Today I'm back with an interesting video that will be useful to you and that will be very beneficial for your hair. Nowadays we all deal with dandruff and itchy scalp, dry flakes and other stuff that makes your hair more greasy, oily, and also the chemical based shampoos, they are very harmful to our scalp and hair. But there are some more causes that prone to this damage of your scalp and your hair. So what are the things that causing these problems other than pollution? Well, the shampoo we normally use, generally available in the market, are full of harsh chemicals that causes these damages to our hair and scalp. But how to get rid of all this damage that we have caused to our hair and scalp for this long time? The solution is here. Today I am gonna share with you a very easy and affordable DIY shampoo that you can make at home, and that is not very time consuming either. The main ingredients of the shampoo are Rita, Amla and Shikakai. Well, Rita is a natural cleaning agent which has been used since our ancient times. My mother had very long and thick hair. I was always curious what she used to use in her times to keep her hair healthy and strong. Well, she told me that she used Rita to clean her scalp and hair. Thus, from her, I learned how to use Rita as a cleanser for your hair, and even you can use it for your skin. Our next ingredient, Shikakai, it also helps in cleansing the scalp and it also nourishes the hair. And our third ingredient, that is Amla, it helps in preventing loss of hair and also it stimulates the hair growth. It contains calcium which helps to maintain the hair health. So if you think that you can get an instant result from all these, you are very wrong, because we are using the store-bought shampoos for a very long time. And the main ingredient in the store-bought shampoo, that is silicone, accumulated in your hair for a very long time. If you scratch your hair, you can see the white gunks. That are the silicone depositions. So to clarify all this dirt and gunks, you need to have some patience. And with that patience, you can of course get a healthy hair in no matter of time. So without further ado, let's get started with our process. Here I have taken a handful of Amla, Shikakai and 6 Ritas. I'll take all the ingredients in a bowl and pour 2 cups of water on it and let it soak overnight. These ingredients must be soaked for at least 6 to 8 hours. This is what it looks like in the morning. You can see the water has changed its color and the ingredients have also become very soft and mushy. As all these ingredients are a little rough to our hair, so I will mix aloe vera gel with it. I have taken this medium-sized aloe vera leaf. I'll cut the sides and take out the gel. The gel must be scraped out like this with the help of a fork or knife so that there are lesser chunks of aloe left. You can also use store-bought aloe vera gel, but that needs to be pure one. Next, I will mash all these ingredients with the help of my hand. You can also use a grinder to grind all this. After a bit, you can see those foam forming. Yeah, that's how you know your shampoo is ready to use. Now we will strain the mixture to make it hassle-free before using. So here I am taking another bowl. I'll cover it with a cloth and pour all the mixture on it. You can make this shampoo in a big batch and store it in the refrigerator for 1 week. As monsoon has already started, you can see a little dandruff on my hair, but there will be none left after using this shampoo. Massage and scrub your scalp well with the shampoo and then rinse thoroughly. This is how my hair looks after using the shampoo I showed you just now. Well, I have stopped using the chemical based shampoos for a long time now, and I am following this process for my regular hair care routine. I hope you have liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to press the like button and let me know in the comment section what more videos you want to see in the future. And also don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.